In this video, we're going to show you the only way that you can buy XRP as a cryptocurrency right now. So the first thing that you want to do is get a crypto wallet. So this one in particular is called Trust Wallet. You can use Coinbase Wallet or Coinbase itself. So I've set up my XRP wallet and I want to click on Receive. So that is my wallet address. So that's the address that I'll want to copy once I do the transfer. So you can't buy XRP directly. So what you have to use is an exchange. This exchange is called Changely. So you can select the other cryptocurrency that you're able to buy on an exchange, like Ethereum or Bitcoin or some other coin that you can purchase outright, and then you're going to exchange that for XRP on the Changely app. Once you've set up your account, then you simply just go in, put the amount of the cryptocurrency that you're going to put in to exchange for XRP, and it'll show you what your exchange rate is. So in this case, I'm using Harmony, which is the ticker 1. And then it shows me how much XRP I get. I'm going to grab my XRP address that was in my Trust Wallet, and I'm going to copy and paste that. And then where it says enter memo, that's where if there was an extra tag. So you can see here there's no destination tag required, so there's just that one address that I'm going to copy and paste. Now I go back to the Changely app, I'm going to paste it here, and then hit next step. And this is your confirmation page to make sure that this is the right wallet address to send it to, and also double check that you don't need an additional tag or a memo ID on there. The next step is to actually hit exchange. And then what you have to do is send that amount of the original cryptocurrency to a specific wallet address for the exchange. Once they receive those funds at the exchange, they'll exchange your original cryptocurrency for your XRP. And they will load it into your wallet that you told them to send it to. So once that transaction is complete, it will show up in your wallet. But what you have to do to get those funds over to the Changely exchange is actually go into a wallet or an exchange. In this case, I'm using Binance.us. And then I'm withdrawing the amount by sending it to the exchange wallet. So I send that amount off to Changely, and then it takes anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours to complete and for those funds to arrive in your wallet. Congratulations, you now know how to buy XRP.